So commercial settings can be a little tricky for us in several ways, but primarily depends on the time of the day. We do have one in particular, one large commercial client. When an incident happens in their facility, it's tricky because there can be hundreds of set of eyes watching us work. So the first thing we really try and do is minimize who has access to our area if we can. And following the books, following the procedures, making sure that we're doing everything that we're required to do. And as far as minimizing operations, that's tricky too. You know, where did the incident happen? Is it something that we need to close off a whole room to be able to clean it? Is there a certain piece of equipment that we have to shut it down and to be able to clean the equipment? So commercial settings can be tricky, but we do it all the time, and we make sure it's done properly just as we would if it was a residential property.